evening, sir. This is our group, The Self by William James. Hello, everyone. I am in lesson 3. I learned about William James' idea of the self and the reality made of reflectively in how I am. According to James, the self divided into two parts: the I self and that me self. The I self is the thinker, the one who experiences life, while the me self is the object of truth, the person or described when we say this, it's me. What struck me most is how choose the part of consciously interact. I'm not just who I think I am, but also how I see myself through my experience. This made me realize that self-understanding in the ongoing process will always change the refining who are based on what I think, I feel, I do. It reminds me that myself means accepting both my actions and my awareness of them, because that what surely make me me.
The Self by Carlos Roger. Good day, one of the most inspiring part of lesson 3. For me was learning about Carlos Roger. Accept the self. Roger explained we have two main aspects: the real self and the idea self. The real self was we actually are right now, and the idea self who want to become. This idea helped me to reflect on my personal growth. Sometimes I feel pressure to perfect of life of others expectation, but Roger taught me that true happiness and self-fulfillment happen when I accept my real life, when staying, striving to improve. It's not about being flawless and about being genuine and open to change. This lesson remind me that understanding and accepting myself first step toward become the best version of me.
The Self by Simon Fry. Hi everyone, in lesson 3 and Paul Sigmund Freud. Theory of the self fascinating because it shows how complex our minds are. I wrote describing the self as being mode of three parts: the idea, the ego, and the super. The idea is lead or instinct, and there is the super ego and S or morality, and the ego balance the two to make realistic decision.